Social media is an ever-evolving environment, and as a marketer, you need to be up to date on the latest trends, sites, and other social media topics. As of July 2023, there's another app to add to your marketing toolbox, Threads. According to Meta, the parent company of well-known social media giants Facebook and Instagram, our vision with Threads is to take what Instagram does best and expand that to text, creating a positive and creative space to express your ideas. The app, which does not have a desktop version, had over 100 million sign-ups within its first week, according to CNN Business. So, marketers are paying attention. Marketers like you can benefit a lot from using Threads. Here are some of the benefits. You can grow awareness about your products and services. You can create a business account and dedicated threads for conversations to showcase your products and services. You can gain insights and learn about your audience. Marketers can gain valuable customer insights directly from the source by encouraging meaningful conversations and facilitating in-depth discussions. This information can help you understand your target audience's needs, which in turn will help you drive improvements to products and services. The insights you gathered will also help you develop new marketing campaigns. Since Threads is integrated with Instagram and Facebook, content sharing across multiple platforms is easy, which can save you a lot of time. Meta also plans to make Threads compatible with ActivityPub, the open social networking protocol established by the World Wide Web Consortium, the body responsible for the open standards that power the modern web. This will allow users to connect in many more ways than are currently possible. So you won't be able to run ads just yet on Threads, but we suspect this will change in the future. If you're interested in learning more about ActivityPub, we've added a reading with more information. Creating a Threads account is quite simple, although you do need to be an Instagram user. If you don't have an Instagram account yet, you'll want to set that up first. Install Threads on your device. There is no desktop version, so you'll need the app on your phone. The app is available on both Google Play and the App Store. Next, you'll be able to use your Instagram account to sign up. One additional thing to note here is that if you're verified on Instagram, you'll automatically be verified on Threads. Once you're logged in, you will be prompted to customize your profile specifically for Threads. Here you can edit your profile photo, bio, and link. You can also choose to import from Instagram. This will bring over your information from Instagram, or you can skip to move on. Now you will select your privacy settings. You have two options to select from. Public profile allows anyone on or off Threads to see, share, and interact with your content. With a private profile, only your approved followers can see and interact with your content. As a default, users who are under 16 or under 18 in certain countries will be defaulted into a private profile when they join Threads. Once you've decided on your privacy settings, click Next. Here you'll have a list of the same accounts you already follow on Instagram. You can search for new accounts to follow, select individual accounts from this list provided by clicking on Follow next to the name of the account, or follow all of them by clicking on Follow All at the bottom of your screen. Once you're done, click Next. If you're not ready to decide, you can also skip this step by clicking Next and come back to this later. The final step is to join Threads. Before you join, read through how Threads works. There's information about the app, how it's incorporated in the Fediverse, and how your data is used. We have added a quick reading with more information about Fediverse if you're not familiar with it yet. After you join Threads, you will be brought to your feed page. Your feed on Threads includes threads posted by people you follow and recommended content from new creators you haven't discovered yet. Posts can be up to 500 characters long and include links, photos, and videos of up to 5 minutes in length. Before you jump into posting, it's a good idea to get oriented with the app and familiarize yourself with how people are using it. One way to start is by searching for people or topics you're interested in, or that align with your business goals. This will help refine the types of content you will see in your feed. You can further customize your feed by hiding posts that contain certain words. You can access hidden words in your profile settings under privacy. By adding words to your list, you're hiding them from view and you won't see posts that contain hidden words. And replies you get with these words will also be hidden for everyone. Now that you have your account set up and are following a few other accounts, spend some time on Threads to see how people, companies and brands are using the app before you jump in and start posting. This is a unique time and the conversations on Threads are just starting. It will likely evolve over time based on how users are engaging with one another and the app. You will want to pay special attention to the evolving landscape and adjust your engagement strategy to align with what works best for your audience. It's also an exciting opportunity for marketers like you to be part of this evolution. Let's take a look at how you post and what makes posting on Threads unique. To create a new thread, click on the post icon on the bottom of your screen. This will bring up the thread creator. Here you can add text and links to your new thread. You can also add an additional thread to your thread, which will be nested under your initial thread. You can also add images, videos and GIFs to your thread by clicking on the paperclip. Next, you'll see the available images. You can also add more images here. Depending on your permissions, you will have access to all of your camera roll or only those images you've selected. Select the media you would like to use and click Next. Here you can see your thread. You can also select who can reply to your thread. Your options are anyone, profiles you follow, or those mentioned only. Once you're finished, don't forget to review your post one last time before you hit Post to publish it. Once you publish your threads, you will be able to see it on your profile page. From your profile, you can click on Replies to see your replies and respond to them. And click on Share to share your profile and grow your follower base. Here are some tips for posting on Threads. Be consistent with your posting schedule. This will help you build a following and keep your followers engaged. Threads has a 500-character limit on posts, and you can include links, photos and videos up to 5 minutes long. With all of the options, it can be helpful to draft your posts in a doc first and paste them into the app. That way, you have a chance to polish your post a bit before making it public. Use a mix of text and eye-catching visuals. Visuals are a great way to capture attention and engage users. Use images, videos and GIFs to make your posts more visually appealing. Add trackable links to posts. If you are linking to your website, add UTM codes to your links with a campaign and objective. And if you're linking to a location off your site, make sure to use a shortened URL so that you can track click counts. You can use the information you gather to identify which posts perform best. Experiment with different types of content. See what types of content your followers respond to best and adjust your posting strategy accordingly. Here are a few additional tips to get you started off on the right track. Don't forget to respond to replies. When people take the time to reply to your threads, take the time to respond and thank them for the feedback. Remember, you can save time on moderating threads by limiting who can reply to your threads. Promote your Threads account. Let your followers know you're on Threads by sharing your profile link on other social media platforms and in your email signature. Keep up to date on the changing landscape. Threads will evolve and change over the next months and years. As a marketer, you'll need to know what changed and adjust your strategy to align with it. Threads is an exciting new platform for you to explore as a marketer. And we can't wait to see all the great things you're going to do on the app.